Hey, how's it going? It's Zero Day J here. It's Thursday, December 21st. After yesterday's absolute shit show, I reined everything in for the most part. And just going to show you how I did today. So, for starters, I got caught in. I don't know why this account is still in here. This account I didn't even trade in today. This is what I traded in this today. Jesus, not on purpose. That account became this. Unless I'm confused. I actually got to figure that out. Anyway, long story short, let's get this one out of the way. I got in this. I went in long in this right about here, and the or here, right about here, and the market literally dumped on me. One of these 15-minute candles, the market dumped, and I smoked the account. I wasn't even in that heavy. It just got out of hand and just never turned around. I was like, whatever. So I was like, oh, awesome start to the day, right? So this account got nuked. This was a new eval I got. Actually, this was the eval I got with my 80% one-time use discount code Apex gives you when you nuke a funded account. So this account was gone, and then uh, that's 51. And then today, throughout the day, I caught some good moves. Like there was some moves to be made. Today I was really so. Let me watch this. So this is the 3-minute chart. This is QuantView. This is an awesome indicator. Awesome indicator. I got to remember to post links in the description for QuantView and for TradingView, so you could get in a TradingView account if you don't have one yet. But like the market, like this was the crazy dump right here. This is where I nuked that eval account, and then it started bounce. This is where it started to bounce. It turned, kept hitting its head on the 300, came back down, hit support, came a little lower. Like it got bad, but I was already making money. I was already building that account out throughout this entire series of dumps and climbs. This is the 3-minute chart. It kept hitting its head on the 300, right? Finally gets over it. Then it hits its head on the 200 a couple times, comes back down under the 300, and then gets back over it. Finally breaks it, and then comes up here, comes back down to the 200 and the 300, and then just goes on a tear. I didn't really get much of this, actually. I missed a lot of this. I caught some of it, but like this was an insane. This was like a 100-point move in the last hour. Let me go to the five. I'll show you on the 5-minute chart where it happened. So like on the 5-minute, um, I'll show you once this page updates. Runs a little slower when I'm making videos. All right, so on the 5-minute, it finally gets back over. This is where the big dump happened. Finally gets back up to the 200, and it's just struggling to get over the 200 and into the 300. The 300 crosses the 200, whatever. But like it gets over the 200 and then basically stay there for the rest of the day. And then right here, from here, this was like a yeah. So it was like right before 3 o'clock. This was the 252, the two the 255 candle because it says 1455. And then from here, it just went from what is that? 16,867. It ran all the way up to 16,966. 100-point move here. Like anyone could have got their account funded with two or three lots during. Well, probably 3 lots would have gotten you funded in a 100-point move, or 2 lots. Let's see. One lot is $20 per point. It would have been 2. Yeah, you would need 3 or 2 lots. 2 lots is 40. So 100 point. Yeah, you would have been over before it even got to the top of this run, right? Anyway, well, obviously you'd have to have the the stones to stay in this long, right? And sometimes you can like because you see indicators like this. You have this smart money concept. This is an area of resistance. This is a supply zone. So it went into this supply zone. I don't remember if this was even showing at the time, but it hit it and then came back out of it. And it's kind of just this was basically the aftermarket. But anyway, let me get back. So I ran. This is a brand new eval account that I got last night, and I ran it to literally just over $3,000. Not in one trade like yesterday, like that crazy shit I was doing yesterday, but in a series of trades, smart moves. I actually went up. I was up like 2,300 fairly quickly, and I went all the way back down to like only up 600 or 700. But what happened at the time? What happens is you have a max trailing drawdown. So I was down like 15, 1600, 1700 from the top. If you go down more than 2,500 from the top during the day, within the trading day, like you'll nuke an account. I've done that plenty of times. As you can see, I'm up to account number 51. So what I did was, I don't know. I mean, I got it back, made smarter trades. I wasn't doing anything too stupid, right, or aggressive. I was only trading like 2 or 3 contracts at a time, but I was just catching these monster. It was just so many monster candles, and today the 3-minute served me well. Just the market was crazy. Maybe there's just not as much volume because we're heading into Christmas this week. Tomorrow's the last day before Christmas Day, which is on Monday. So maybe there's more algorithmic candles happening. This is the 3. Look at all the wicks in each direction. Like so many wicks. Like these moves are huge. One 3-minute candle, 25, 26 points. Like this candle. Like look at this 1 3-minute candle. Look, it went from 16,815 to it went up like 53 points in one candle, in 1 3-minute candle. It's crazy. So anyway, let me get back to it. My funded account, I got up 630 today, literally trading 1 or 2 lots at a time, mostly 1. So that I'm very happy about. 630 in one day with a funded account. That's real money if I could actually make it to the withdrawal period at over the $2,600 by then. So this is the one. This is the one I'm going to get to, right? Right here. This is the one that's going to get me to a withdrawal. All right? Root for me. All right? Root for your boy, 0JJ. All right? Let's do it. Anyway, thanks for watching. To summarize, I'm up 630 in the funded account, number 6, and this one is up. I got this one up over $3,000 to take advantage of the 1-day Eval pass promo that they're doing. So this is another account that I'll have 2 funded accounts starting tomorrow. And then I'm not going to get any more evals until I have a few. I have like 2 or 3 rebuilds from last month that are going to ping at some point. So I'll have to wait until then. Maybe we'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, give a like, whatever. Leave a comment. If you want to join Apex, my link is in the description. It'll give you the best coupon code available, the best discount available with my coupon code tracked to me. And I appreciate you for watching. If you made it this far in the video, have a good day.